Welcome to our DDR5 RAM Showdown. Today, we are comparing two high-performance memory kits, the Corsair Vengeance 64GB and the Crucial Pro 32GB. In this video, we'll dive into their specifications, performance metrics, and pricing to see which one stands out for gamers and power users alike. Whether you're into heavy multitasking or looking for the best gaming performance, we've got you covered. Let's get started. When it comes to capacity, the Corsair Vengeance RAM offers a massive 64GB, making it ideal for users who require extensive memory for tasks such as video editing, 3D rendering, and heavy multitasking. In contrast, the Crucial Pro provides 32GB, which is sufficient for most gaming scenarios, but may fall short for power users who run multiple applications simultaneously. Therefore, if you prioritize capacity for professional workloads, the Corsair Vengeance is the clear winner. In terms of speed, the Crucial Pro RAM takes the lead with a frequency of 6,400 MHz, providing higher bandwidth and faster data transfer rates, which is particularly beneficial for gaming and high-performance applications. On the other hand, the Corsair Vengeance operates at 5,200 MHz, which, while still respectable, does not match the raw speed of its competitor. For gamers and performance enthusiasts, the Crucial Pro's higher frequency can significantly enhance system responsiveness and frame rates. When we look at latency, the Crucial Pro also shines with a CAS latency of CL32, which translates to a lower true latency of approximately 10.0 nanoseconds compared to the Corsair Vengeance's CL40, resulting in a higher true latency of around 15.38 nanoseconds. This lower latency means that the Crucial Pro can respond faster to requests, making it a better choice for gaming and performance-sensitive tasks. Overall, if you are looking for speed and responsiveness, the Crucial Pro is the better option. To summarize, the choice between the Corsair Vengeance 64GB and the Crucial Pro 32GB ultimately depends on your needs. If you require high capacity for professional applications, the Corsair Vengeance is the way to go. However, if you prioritize speed and low latency for gaming, the Crucial Pro is the superior choice. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tech comparisons.